Episode 1 Spotlight, a simple framework for evaluating stocks using 3 pillars: quality, momentum, and valuation, without jargon, suitable for daily quick reviews. First, quality checks cash flow health and sustainable earnings through conservative debt and consistent margins. Second, momentum measures how a stock trades relative to its recent peak, not just last-day gains. Third, valuation compares price to earnings and cash flow to estimate fair value, guarding against overpaying in excitement. Applied weekly, this trio turns chaos into a clear checklist, helping beginners start small while veterans refine selections.